Hi, and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Ohima Angie. And today we have a special treat. Okay, I need no judgment here, but I just started my PhD program and I moved into a new apartment in a new city. So I needed some things. So I don't need anybody to judge me, but I did go a little spendthrifty, but it's not my fault. Y'all gave me a credit card. So this haul is gonna cost a pretty penny. But yeah, it should be interesting. I am very excited. I bought so many things that I don't actually remember what I bought. Like the Walmart things, I don't remember buying that. So let's be surprised and have a good experience together. So without further ado, let's begin. Let's start with this little one. Let's see what I'm gonna use this for. Oh, my keyboard. I needed a keyboard because I want to have multiple screens. So I got a chocolate typewriter keyboard that can connect to like 3 different screens and displays very easily. Ooh, I like the click of it. Oh, I'll try that and let y'all know if I recommend it or not. It does not come with batteries, so you're gonna have to provide your own batteries. Just to let you know, but I do have those batteries somewhere in this haul. Let me put that away. And then, this was a splurge, a mighty splurge. I cried as I bought this, not gonna lie. But it is the Logitech MX Masters 3S mouse. $900. If you count taxes, over $100 just for a mouse. This mouse better complete all my work on task without any questions. This is what it looks like. Oh, no, not 100. I think it's good. Anyway, so this is what it's like. I'm just gonna, oh, do I like that? Do I like that? I think I do. Let's see. It's not bad, I like that. It's not too clicky. There's this, that's quite rolly, I like that. Oh, that's nice. And it'll work with Mac and everything else, so I'm excited about this. Ooh, mouse pad. I like this little mouse pad. Obviously will work great for my mouse, and then it has a little rest because my wrist just gets agitated, so this would be like a nice little comfort, you know, so. Mouse pad. Oh, I did! I wanted something for my book bag. Oh, this is nice. This is sturdy. I love it. This is nice and sturdy. Oh, this is nice. And I could rotate it any way I wanted. Oh, I like that. I absolutely. And I can, you know, tighten. I like this. I absolutely like this. So your book bag kind of hangs in there like that. And then you can just, you know, take it off. And then this is, I believe, my mattress protector. Yes. I did move into an apartment that's fully furnished. So I was like, I'm not just gonna be laying on anybody's mattress like that people have used before. So I got like a mattress protector that's like water resistant and breathable and stain resistant and deep pockets and all the other things that need it, just in case, you know, when I'm moving, they can't be like, oh, you smell something, you did this, you need things, and it keeps everything just nice and clean and will prevent against bed bugs. I think it said that somewhere in here, or in one of the things to try to, you know, get me to buy it. So anyway. This is a screen cleaner kit. Oh, yes. So it has the little spray. This actually looks like skincare. And then it has the little thing for between the keyboards and all of that. And then the wipers, and literally right in the middle of everything and unboxing everything. My video cut out, my storage ran out, and I'm so sad about it because it was beautiful content. But I decided to just make it a haul, so it's gonna be half unboxing, half a haul. So without further ado, let me go on to showing you what else I spent money on. Okay, so it was also the shoe rack. I needed something for my shoes, so I decided to put this together. This was so hard to put together. So if anybody decides to get it, please, 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 please keep in mind you're gonna need more tools than they provide. And then next, the dongle. I don't know if I talked about the dongle, but yes, there is the dongle that you need for your computer if you want to use external drives and all of that, and that you should expect in my tech video. So watch out for the tech video. There is also my headphones. I decided to get noise canceling headphones, and this is kind of like how they look, and they have, you know, left, right, all of that in there, which is helpful because I be lost. And so let me do a quick try on. You know what, just having it on makes a difference. I can, like, my voice seems so loud just having it on and having nothing turned on. So I think I'm gonna like this. At first I was gonna actually spend money and get, oh, and it also does that thinking, but I'm not doing that right now. At first I was gonna spend money and get, you know, some Sonys and whatnot, and I decided against it because I at least wanted to try these for a little bit. These are just normal noise canceling earphones I got from Amazon. They were about 60 bucks. So instead of spending 400 bucks, I spent 60, which is still a lot of money in my book. So we're gonna put that back in there, zip it up, cut it to the side. Next, we have this. This is my iPad and computer stand, and it is quite amazing. I'm just gonna, at least we get to tear this one apart. Boom, throw that out, okay? This is kind of what it looks like. This is where the laptop, computer, iPad or tablet will kind of lay. And then the back kind of comes off by its own. Ooh, up here. There it is. Boom. This goes in. And then it rests like that, so that you have a nice little clean aesthetic. And again, it will be in my tech video, so look out for the tech video. And then next, there's this, which is just like a satin bed sheet. I wanted a satin bed sheet, and the color didn't come off the way I wanted it to, but hey, it will be what it's gonna be, you know. But I wanted a satin one with the pillowcases and whatnot, so that whenever I have my roll hair out and all of that, I don't have to worry about my hair being damaged, and don't have to worry about having bonnets on. Even though I do love bonnets, they seem to fly off my head at all times. So putting that aside, I also got closet organizer hanger thingies. Yeah, they're very nice. I can't wait to try them out. So that should be fun. I think it would be a great way to organize my closet so I can maximize my closet space. Can't wait about that. And then this little baby is for my bathroom. So as you can see, it's like a little black girl bathroom set, which I like and I love. And it comes with shower curtains and all of that. It's like a full-on set. So it was nice, affordable. Amazon does really well with these. And so yeah, I'm happy with it. Oop, that just fell. We're just gonna throw that to the side. So these Walmart thingies that I had no idea what they were because I ordered everything from Amazon. So I was so confused why these Walmart things were here. It turns out it was just the hangers that I ordered from Amazon. But I guess Walmart has a page on Amazon and that's where I ordered it from. So Walmart sent it and it's like 18 in a pack and there are 3 packs per box. So I got 2 boxes of that. And then moving on, there's the surge protector slash, why am I blanking? My brain is not braining today. Extension cord, that's the word. Yeah, so this is a good extension cord. I like that. I don't want, something flat. And this will be a good space saver and it will just work perfectly with the theme that I want for my desk. So this is exciting. And then let's move here for more fun. This is my pillow. Initially when I opened it, it was like super flat. And then I just let it like kind of puff up, so I wanted to try this out. I'm gonna get regular pillows as well, but I wanted to try this type of pillow out. So this is supposed to be where my hands go, and then my head goes here, I believe, and then for neck support and all of that. So I decided to treat myself and try it out, and hopefully I like it. So this should be fun. Woo! Okay, next is this little number. So this number is for comfort, all things comfort, okay? I am always sitting at a computer desk and I'm gonna be doing research, I'm gonna be doing a lot of things. So I wanted to make sure that at least for my home office, I had something comfortable to sit on. So this little baby is the footrest. So it feels like it can be a pillow as well, but it is the footrest so that I have something to incline my foot on and it's not too hard so my foot won't be pained and whatnot. So I was very excited about this. Treating myself this season. And then some more things. These hangers, there are a lot of hangers. I just wanted closet organizers that were not bulky, so I ended up with a lot of different hangers. But these are gonna be great for your little spaghetti strap outfits and camisoles and all of that. These are wonderful for them, and so can't wait to put everything on it. Add that to those hangers, and then the next set of hangers that I have are these babies, okay? These babies. So these are, I'm not holding them. Oop. These are the pants hangers. Okay, I don't know how clear this is, but these are hangers for pants. I can hold them like this as well. And they'll be great space savers because I hate those little clips for pants. They take too long and I get lazy. So these are a great alternative and they're very durable. So I do not regret that purchase. Another excellent purchase in my view, at least, is this light. So this is gonna be the light on top of my desk and it's just gonna be like right here, fluorescent and all of the above, and got the robotic arm and whatnot. So it should be fun. Look for it in my desk setup video. Okay, are we all out? No, we still have more things. Take this aside. Ooh. There's also my lunchbox. I didn't show you my lunchbox. This also came in. I was a little disappointed because it's a lot more, rectangular and smaller than I thought it was gonna be, but it's okay because bigger one I would not have been able to finish the meal. So there's a spoon and fork in here, which is quite nice. Just can always just wash it and put it right where it belongs without all the drama. Okay, and then there are like 3 steps, so that's very convenient. Putting this together is not very convenient, but there you go. And I'm excited to use it for tomorrow. So that should be fun. This chair that I am in actually is part of the haul. I just put it together, like I put together the shoe rack with the help of my roommate. And this little baby is my new office chair. So it'll be nice and comfortable for me to just, you know, sit there and be productive. So, and then last but not least, I'll say this again, last but not least is my baby. Meet my baby. I am so excited for this little number. This is my Spectre C27 Curved Business Pro. Obviously the setup and everything will be in my tech video, but I am excited, like uber excited to put this together because this is going to be so convenient for me when I'm working from home, because at least at my cubicle at work there is a desktop, but for this at the very least I get one for all. So this is exciting, and it was affordable, which I love, 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 love. But that brings us to an end of a very extensive, might I add extensive YouTube unboxing video, I guess, for grad school and how I set up my apartment. So you have a wonderful rest of your day. Please subscribe, like the video, and tune in for the next one, because trust me, you will not regret it. Thank you so much for joining me. Bye.